2026 is here, and Wall Street is making bold predictions about what's coming next. Will the rally continue? Will AI keep leading? And which stocks is smart money buying right now? Welcome back to Money Mastery, your step-by-step guide to financial freedom and wealth creation. Whether you're an investor, a trader, or just someone wanting to understand the markets, this video breaks it all down. We're diving into the top predictions for the year ahead, backed by major forecasts and real market trends. Let's explore what Wall Street expects for stock markets in 2026 and how you can position yourself strategically. Analysts predict markets will climb higher in 2026 than they did in 2025, fueled by earnings growth and AI investments. The S&P 500 and AI investments are leading the charge, with broad equity indexes expected to keep rising. Expanding corporate profits will lift both tech and broader sectors, meaning gains won't be limited to technology alone. Now let's look at how earnings growth is spreading beyond the usual mega-cap tech names. Earnings growth is reaching from mega-cap tech into industries with improving fundamentals, broadening market participation. This wider performance reduces concentration risk in just a few big names, creating a more balanced market. Smart money is already building short-term stock positions across multiple sectors for early 2026. Bank of America's top ideas span tech, healthcare, and consumer goods, showing diversified institutional interest. Major names like Amazon, Merck, Boeing, and Dollar General are being highlighted for their growth catalysts. Smart money isn't just focused on one theme, it's diversified across industries with growth catalysts. The IPO market could roar back to life in 2026 as confident companies prepare to go public. SpaceX, Anthropic, and OpenAI are among the major names potentially joining the 2026 IPO wave. Market confidence directly drives IPO activity, as strong markets encourage companies to list publicly. Big IPOs create both fresh investment opportunities and market volatility, giving investors dual effects to consider. Sector rotation will continue as a major investment theme, balancing growth and value strategies. Markets are evolving from AI dominance through tech leadership into broader sector rotation. Value stocks, financials, industrials, and small caps are gaining traction as rotation targets beyond growth names. Investors must balance growth strategy with value strategy, two opposing approaches that both matter in 2026. Precious metals and cryptocurrencies may play meaningful roles in portfolios this year. Precious metals serve as a volatility hedge, with silver hitting records in 2025 and staying relevant. Bitcoin's high volatility contrasts sharply with the relative stability of precious metals, offering different risk profiles. Speculative assets like Bitcoin are only suitable for traders with appropriate risk tolerance. Despite bullish sentiment, ongoing volatility means strategic awareness remains essential. Persistent rotation, intermittent volatility, and market uncertainty all demand that traders stay alert. Uncertainty is not a reason to stop, it's a reason to trade with process, not emotions. So how do you actually position yourself for 2026 based on these predictions? Think in layers: core positions, tactical opportunities, risk management, and rebalancing as trends evolve. Awareness directly connects to success, meaning informed decisions beat speculation every time. 2026 will reward awareness, not guessing. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe so we can keep bringing you more market outlook videos. Drop a comment below and tell us which prediction you think will have the biggest impact on your trading this year. Join us next time when you break down how to build a 2026 watch list, step by step. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.